This is a fit for the 2014 through 2018 and possibly beyond Toyota Highlander with the factory installed flush side rail. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Rhino-Rack RCL Vortex Aero base roof rack system. The system consists of the VA137B Vortex Aero load bar in black, 54 inches in length. This also includes leg set RCL4. That's the low profile leg set with locks included. And the vehicle specific fitting kit RCP31-BK. This system has an overall weight carrying capacity of 220 pounds, evenly distributed, and a crossbar spacing of 27.5 inches from center to center. This product and the full line of Rhino-Rack products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please visit our website for complete details, pricing, and our promotions.